Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is nothing but embed a dashboard. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this gear icon followed by setup. So here in quick find, I'm just going to search for app builder. So once if you get the result, we are just going to select lightning app builder over here. So make sure you are typing the all sentence. So now just make a click on lightning app builder. So here click on new, and select home page right over here followed by next. Let's give our label, which is given right over here in our challenge. So copy this and paste it over here, and now click on next. So here I'm just going to choose a standard home page, which is right over here. Now click on done. So on your left side, you just search for dashboard, just drag and drop it right over here. So once if it is done, make sure that in dashboard you have selected this ops pipeline. Now click on save followed by activate. So guys, here we are just going to click on app and profile followed by assign to apps and profiles, and here I'm just going to select the sales followed by next, and here we are just going to select standard user followed by system administrator. So once if it is done, click on next followed by save. So again click on save right over here, and once if it is done, click on this back. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our second challenge as well. Third challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.